Yeah, as reported on Amazon, it's around just a little bit over 10% on average. Yeah.
And that's pretty high. What do you attribute that to?
I'm sure a lot of it has to do with what I just mentioned, the things I just mentioned. The fact that I'm not trying the aggressive approach, which data shows that's not right. Instead of saying buy it now, I imply that here I give you the reasons why you should buy it, and if there's something you should consider before to not buy it, but something else, I'll tell you why, and then I suggest that it'll be a great. You should go have a look at it and consider it. That style of writing, I think, contributes a lot to it. Kurt Phillips of Convertica once said that your job should be to help make them make up their mind before they click on the link, so that when they end up at Amazon, they're more than likely going to go ahead and buy it. And that is what I try really hard to do. I think that has a lot to do with that.
Nice.
And also, the user experience on my sites is good. So it's nice and clean. It looks like I know what I'm talking about. And I believe, so far, my hunch is that, and I suspect it's true, that if you give a good user experience and you come across as being an authority, people are more likely to trust you and to buy. I think that influences this, the mental sales aspect. That's my opinion.